Hello friends, welcome back to Bhurag recipes. If you didn't subscribe yet, do subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. In today's video, you are going to see one more chutney recipe which tastes great with rice. So let's quickly check out today's recipe, which is nothing but ridge-cut chutney. In Telugu we call it as Beerakaya Pachadi. So let's quickly check out the ingredients on screen. For making this chutney, we just need very few ingredients. So just quickly make it and enjoy. In a hot pan, add 2 to 3 spoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and fry for a minute. Now add 2 to 3 green chillies roughly chopped and fry it until it is crisp. Don't add too much of green chillies, it makes our chutney spicy. Now add 1 large onion roughly chopped and fry it until it is soft. And also add 1 teaspoon of salt and give a quick mix. Now add 250 grams of ridge gourd, which is sweet one, not a bitter one. And give a quick mix and let it cook until it is soft. It will take hardly 5 to 6 minutes to cook if you take the tender one. Now place a lid and cook it on a medium flame, and don't forget to stir in between. Once it is perfectly cooked, turn off the flame and add 2 inches of tamarind and let it cool down completely and transfer to a blender jar. Now blend it coarsely. Once it is done, transfer to a serving bowl. Now serve this prepared ridge-cut chutney with hot piping rice by adding little ghee. So just quickly make it and let me know how much you liked it in comment section. And also don't forget to check out my ridge-cut fry recipe as well. Thanks for watching, and also do share it with your friends and family.